Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Neffex here again. I don't know how many times he has been here, countless almost. This time we have Give Me a Sign. So a great song again from Neffex. We love him. So if you enjoy Neffex and want to learn to play his music on a guitar, feel free to subscribe here to Chord Guitar. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any cape on this. Alright, so we're going clean here. We have a couple of chords to go over, and let's do that first, and then we're going to teach the melody here, and then perhaps combine that with a strumming pattern. So let's go with the chords. We have first the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G as well, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then finally we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so we have this cool pattern here that goes pretty much through the entire song here. You can say it's not that prominent always. Sometimes it's more into the strumming here, but it's there in the background always. So let's take a look at this one chord by chord. So it will start in the same way all the time, and then it has different endings. So we'll start with the E minor first, and this part goes. All right. So that is second on D, and then third on E with a clap. This clap is optional, you don't have to. The melodies, that's really what we focus on now, the notes. But yeah, I'll already now mention where you have the clap, so you can understand where it comes there. So that's the only two notes for E minor, second on D and third on E, and then a clap. Then we have the D, and here I suggest you hold the full chord as it is. You're gonna play this part. So that is open D, second E, third B, and then comes this part. So that is third on E, and then you go second on E there, but I pull off there, so I have the chord here as it is, and I add my little pinky there on the third fret E string in front of the mid finger, which is the second E string there behind. So I add this and pick that note, third E, and then I pull off like that to get the second E fast, and then I hit the third B. So sorry for the bad sound there, but that's right. So that is the ending of the D chord. So and then we have the A minor. It goes, and that is simply open A and first B, and then a clap. At this point, this is so far we get when it comes to always playing the same. So the start here will be the same, the E minor, D, and A minor so far. And now comes the different endings. So the first ending here will be with the G. It goes like this. Okay, so you just have to hold third on E. You play that note, and then open B, open G, then clap, and again open G. And then you turn back to the beginning again and start the next round. So that is the first ending, E minor, D, A minor, and then the G here. You go back and play the same, E minor, D, A minor, and then comes the second ending here. And the second ending has to do with the C chord now. So instead of playing the G, you jump right into from A minor to this C and play All right, so that is third on A, then open E, then first B, then clap, and first B again. All right, so there you have that second ending. All right, so perhaps you think it's over now, we have everything we need. No, not really. So that is 2 rounds in total. When you play this C, you go back again and play the main part here in the beginning, E minor, D, A minor. And then you play the G parts here, which is the first. So you alternate, you go back again, play the G part. And then you go back as the 4th round now. Okay, we are into the 4th round. And you play the start again, E minor, D, A minor. And then comes the C part, but this time, between the C's, we're gonna alternate also with different endings. We have the split here for C and D. So that is actually the 4th round here. So the 4th ending, so to speak, will be. All right, so it's based upon C, D. So that is 3rd on A, open E, first B. Okay, so it starts and plays in the same way as the previous C we had, but then you turn to D and play open D and second E. That's it. So that is the second C ending, so to speak, if you understand what I mean. So a total of 4 rounds this is. So just to summarize everything here, we had the start here of E minor, D, and A minor. That follows us on all these 4 rounds. That's the beginning, all right? Then the first round ended with just a plain G. Then the second round ends with just the C, this part. Then the third round, you go back again and play the G ending. And the 4th round, you play with the C, D ending. So. And then you start all over again. So it's really about 4 rounds in total, but yeah, I think you understand by now by my explaining there. That is the melody. All right, so we can combine that with a strumming pattern, and that is pretty simple. It's if we go back to the E minor, the first chord, 1 round will be down, down, clap, down. But we have to divide this into 2 different parts. So part 1 will be down, down, clap. And part 2 will be just the last down. So 1 full round with E minor goes down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So with just the first ending with the G there, it will be 1 strumming round per chord. So E minor, D, A minor, and G, like this. The second round will be with the C ending. The third round will be again the same as the first round with the G ending. The 4th round here, this is the reason why we have the strumming pattern divided into 2 different parts. It will be the same, E minor, D, A minor, 1 strumming round per chord. And then comes the C with the D ending there. So that will be C, you're gonna play part 1, down, down, clap. And then you just hit 1 down on the D, and that's it. So slowly it will be with E minor starting here. A minor, now C, D, and then starts the next round again. So with this 4th round into the next beginning of the 1st round again, it goes. And then like this. All right, so there you have the version with the strumming, and you can combine everything here and place, yeah, sort of alternative way with this melody here and the strumming, building everything. You have the notes, you have the strumming pattern, and you can combine it to something perhaps like this. Yeah, play around with it. That's Neffex. Give me a sign. So if you enjoy this tutorial, please give me a sign, leave a comment, or like this, and I hope to see you here very soon again. Till then, play tuned.